Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to create a popular Zouk rhythm or pattern. These rhythms are so popular on most hot Zouk songs. I believe that by the end of this video, you will have gained enough knowledge and inspiration to help you create the best Kompa Zouk instrumental. Without further ado, let's get started. I have already prepared chords and a drum loop as well as some plugins because I want our main focus to be on rhythm. Don't worry about plugins, I will show their names and you will follow along perfectly. Starting with number 1, this is my favorite. If you are creative enough, you can use it, flip it and get many beats from one rhythm, 3 or 5, whatever, and it has been used on so many songs. Easy like that, take this idea and flip it or do anything to create an amazing beat. If you stuck somewhere, don't hesitate to ask for help. You know, I like one day to do a collab with one of my fans. Let's move to rhythm number 2. Pay attention to watch and listen. So much information to learn. Highlight these keys and I'm holding the shift key while I'm drag and drop to copy and paste shortly. And this is rhythm number 3, kind of soft melody, but it's cool to use as inspiration for your next project. And I'm holding the shift key while I'm drag and drop to copy and paste shortly. And this is rhythm number 4. Sounds like arpeggios, cool to use as inspiration for your next project. We have now reached the final rhythm. Before we dive into it, I want to mention something important. I discovered that 60% of the people watching my tutorial are not yet subscribed to my channel. If you fall into that category, please consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell. This way, you won't miss any of my videos, and as the channel grows, it encourages me to create more content frequently. Thank you. It's easy like that. Now, let me choose a rhythm and show you how to develop the idea into an amazing beat. This is the rhythm we created before. I added bells from Nexus combined with the bass line and played Kompa solo at the end. That is it. Thank you for watching. Please share and like this video and subscribe. See you next time.